All right, today I'm taking a look at the Knipex 4631A12. So this is the 45-degree snap ring pliers. So this is my companion to this one, which is same brand, Knipex. This is the 4921A11. This one is 90 degrees. So this one is going to be for getting in at a slightly different angle. So there you can see that 45-degree angle. So it's off a little bit. So it does have a spring here, so it does return, which is going to make your life a lot easier if you have to grab something and it's, you know, your hand's in a weird spot. But what we mostly use this for, or at least I should say what I use it for, is I need to grab a snap ring off of something that's on a shaft right here. I'll have a wall built up here, and then I'll have something even covering it up on this side. So with this, I can go in at a weird angle, extract it, pull it out, and get it out. So these are fantastic for working in tight spots. So I got a buddy that prefers working with the 90. I almost always use the 45. It just works so much nicer for me. But the most important thing that both of these have that a lot of the adjustable ones don't, the adjustable ones, you loosen up that little nut on the front and you can swap the handle over so you can make it an internal or an external. But the problem with that is that as you move them in and out, that nut tends to loosen up and then the jaws don't line up perfectly. It could be off like this a little bit. When that happens, you're trying to grab a snap ring, it'll just go flying off into the distance. And when my hands are all oily and greasy and nasty and I'm working in a tight spot, I'm already frustrated, that's the last thing I need. So with these, they're fixed. It's always going to be an external. These are always going to be aligned. These are nice and strong. These are the best kinds of snap ring pliers, in my opinion.